Bringing off Nebraska, I got one 2016 Clear Vision football. Hobby box slab break. Alright guys, a few spots left on our break. Go up when it fills. Starting off, Sammy Watkins. Rookie Trevor Davis out of 49, rookie patch. Zach Ertz. Amari Cooper. Lewis out of 999, Ronnie Lott. Manning. Decoy. Clear shots, Andrew Luck out of 99, Steve Largett. I don't want to get him injured. David Johnson. 1 of 79, Carson Palmer. Philip Rivers. Troy Aikman. He's testy today. Out of 999, Sterling Shepard, Big Ben. Staubach. Decoy. 40 and 99, Odell Beckham Jr. Tony Romo. Right. Thanks for the break, man. I'll be back in just a bit.